2017 Kia Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, keyless ignition, 4-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, center armrest, CD player, security system, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.